Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up with Time Machine or make a full clone. Once done, sign into your Apple ID, plug into power, and ensure a stable internet connection because recovery will download installers. Now reboot into macOS recovery. On Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until options appear. On Intel Macs, hold Command-R at startup. You do this because recovery provides the official, supported way to change the operating system safely and restore firmware trust. You now prepare the internal drive so the new OS installs cleanly. Open Disk Utility from Recovery and choose View, Show All Devices so you see the physical SSD. Select the top-level disk, erase it with apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended if installing an older release, and set the scheme to GUID partition map. Make sure you label the volume clearly. Once the erase completes, close Disk Utility. This step removes conflicts and guarantees the installer can write a fresh system volume. You select Reinstall Mac OS from Recovery and pick the volume you just prepared. Follow the on-screen prompts and let the download and installation run. This can take time. Once the setup assistant appears, sign into your Apple ID, enable File Vault if desired, and restore personal data via Migration Assistant from your Time Machine backup or clone. If installation fails, try resetting NVRAM or SMC on Intel Macs, or use Apple Configurator 2 for firmware recovery on Apple Silicon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.